Hi, so in this video I'm going to be talking about the Tkinter Basics. Let's get started. Import Tkinter. This is hard work typing in the whole name. Maybe you're familiar with the as TK thingy, but that also is typing. But there's another way. I'm going to test it out with the random module. Well, I know it works, but I'm just going to show you with the random module. We can do from random import star. Now let's do our range feature. Range 0,5. Now if we try running it, okay, we need to save a value, a equals, and now we have to print the value, print a four. Got a random number. It works, but we don't want to use the random module, so we'll get rid of all these. And we can put TK in here. Okay, so now let's talk about how to get TK into running. As you know, the input statement does nothing, and I can't do anything. Tkinter is like Turtle, it's a whiteboard, but it's more advanced. Like it can add much more things. So let's do what? Yeah, how do we get the thingy set up? The window set up? First we have to make the window. So you go like capital T. A lot of the classes in Tkinter starts with a capital letter. So capital T, K, open parentheses, close parentheses. Now let's try running it. Got a window called TK. We can maximize it, we can minimize it, we can close it, and we can also actually close it. So yeah, but what's the advantage? We still get TK as a window name. Have a TK window. Well, based off the window, you can change the name. TK, title, let's do TK intro. Okay, I want something different. Flaggy, ollie, latigosa, whatever it is. If we run it now. Oops, no. I have to define the window name. So I have to name it root or something. Because I can name it A. So I'm not doing root now, I'm not doing TK now, I have to do root. Now let's run it. We get our name. We get our floddy goddy potty. We get the name. But you could still need to type in root. Well, sometimes it's still useful. Like if we, okay, so now if we get into the next thing, you'll see how it's useful. We can do B1 equals button, capital letter, guys, notice this. B1 equals button, root, we're explaining which module, which Tkinter window the button is gonna be. So the button is in the root module, and we can do text equals, let's do yeah. Welcome to Logic Gotta. Okay, so now if we run the module, we can see something. Let's wait. I have to run it. B1.pack. That's what gets the button there. So now we see welcome to Gotta. If we click on it, we can click on it 1,000,000,000 times. That still does nothing. So no matter how many times we click it, it does nothing. Welcome to Gotta. We can do we can add something. So we'll come down here. So now we're gonna do a define function, def Gotta. Yeah. So then we're gonna type in print something, and now look, run module, and now look here. 1 second, it still does nothing. But how do we link this Logic Gotta thingy to this B1? Well, we have to do comma and command equals command V, command equals Logic Gotta. Notice here, we definite Logic Gotta. If you did this thing over here, it won't work because it'll say Logic Gotta isn't defined because it's processing this bit and then it stops because of the error. So now let's run it. Now we got this weird thingies. Bye. That's the end of our video. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to Technology with me, aka a kid.